Switching from realme to Samsung? Transferring your data doesn't have to be hard. In this video, we'll show 4 reliable ways to move apps, accounts, and settings seamlessly. Solution 1. Transfer data from realme to Samsung in one click worry-free. Mobican transfer for mobile. You move data from realme to Samsung easily. Connect both phones to your PC, select contacts, messages, photos, videos, or apps, and copy with one click. Existing files stay intact. How to guide. Install and launch Mobican transfer for mobile. Connect realme and Samsung phones via USB. Check transferable files. Tap flip if needed. Select what to copy, and click Start Copy. Solution 2. Transfer data from old realme to new Samsung via Smart Switch. Install or open Smart Switch on both phones. On Samsung, tap Receive Android. On realme, tap Send Wireless. Connect via Wi-Fi Direct. Select data types, tap Transfer, and wait until done. Solution 3. Transfer files from realme to Samsung with Send Anywhere. Install Send Anywhere on both phones. On realme, select Files and tap Send to get a key or QR code. On Samsung, tap Receive and enter the key or scan the code. Wait for transfer. Files save in the Send Anywhere folder. Solution 4. Transfer all data from realme to Samsung phone by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both phones and pair them. On realme, open the file, tap Share Bluetooth, and select Samsung. On Samsung, tap Accept and wait for the transfer to finish.